Hey, what's up guys, Shashank here, and in today's video I'll be showing you this cool new YouTube app I found. This is a pretty cool app, guys. You guys are gonna love this. So this YouTube app has two awesome features. One is it has dark mode enabled, so your YouTube app is gonna look sick. The second thing is it has background play enabled. For those of you who don't know what background play is, you can play some music on your YouTube app, set it to the least quality, and then close the app and start using something else, and the music still plays in the background, and you're saving like a bunch of data as well. So it's basically like you don't need any paid subscription anymore, music subscription anymore, like Amazon Music or Apple Music, Spotify, etc. So yeah, I found that pretty dope. So just making a video, just trying to push some good quality content. It's gonna be a very fast, quick video. So yeah, that's coming up in today's video. But before this video starts, if you guys are new here, I'm Shashank and this is Shanky Mohan Studios. You guys should follow me on my Instagram. I try to post some dope pics out there. If you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and let's get right to the video, guys. Alright guys, the app we're gonna use today is called YouTube Vanced. As always, the link to this app is in the description down below. So as you can see, this is the website, and one more thing you might notice is my Chrome looks more modern and materialistic with the home button right there. If you guys want to know how I did that, check out my previous video. It's a pretty easy tutorial, be sure to check it out. Alright, back to this video. So once you go to the website, you're going to see a couple of options, which is non-root downloads, root downloads, and some other stuff. So if you're a rooted device, go to root downloads. If you're a non-rooted device, obviously go to the non-root downloads. It's pretty obvious. Alright, so next you're going to see couple of instructions here, which are just install the APK like you would normally install. Remember to install micro G as well if you want to log in. So I'll explain what that is as we go along the video. So what you want to do is you want to scroll way down and go and select the latest version. So this app does not have an auto update feature, so be sure to check out their website once a week so that they keep updating their versions, their app. So and just download the latest version. Click on the version you need, and you're gonna have two options here: either save it to your drive or use Google Chrome for downloading directly. I'm just gonna use Chrome for this video. You're gonna get this pop-up in a while. 3, 2, 1. There you go. All right. Here you're gonna go to their Google Drive. You're gonna click on download anyway. So once you download, just install it. It's a pretty simple process. It's gonna take a while to install, so just sped the process up. All right. So once it's done installing, go ahead and press open. But everything looks white here, just like the normal YouTube app. So what you want to do is go over to settings. Make sure your background play is on to have your audio play in the background first. Then you want to go over and enable dark mode in the general category. There you go, guys. Everything is dark. It looks pretty dope, and it's easy on the eyes when you are in a dark room and you don't want a white light of your phone directly on your face. Next, you want to go ahead and download micro G. As you see, you got an error as I showed in the video. So that's when you need to install this micro G. Make sure you download the latest version. Go over and use your Drive or Google Chrome to download it. Gonna get this pop up again. Hit download. It's gonna download really fast. It's a very small file. Same process again, guys. Install it and then head over back to your YouTube app. You want to head over to your YouTube Vanced app, not your stock app. So you want to go to accounts and then put in your account information so that the recommended list is per your YouTube account. So you have your subscriptions, your notifications, everything just works fine. You can even screen your YouTube app to your smart TV. If you guys have a smart TV, it's just as the normal YouTube app, but then everything is better in every way. One more thing, what I would suggest you guys do is head over back to your stock YouTube app, go to the app info, which is that if you're using Nova Launcher, you want to go to the app settings, and then you want to turn off your stock YouTube notifications. so that you won't get two notifications at the same time, one from the YouTube Vanced app, one from the normal stock YouTube app. So here you can hear that the song is playing from NCS. It's also playing in the background. So if you want to mess around a little bit, you just have to go to the notification. You can see it's playing in the background. You can pause, play, the basic controls of any music player. Click on the video, it's going to redirect you back to the YouTube Vanced app, and everything is awesome. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you guys need help with anything, just tech related or something like this, where you need an app which helps you out with your daily routine or something like that, hit me up in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to help you guys out. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.